Welcome to question 41, still on circle theorem, the circle geometry. In a diagram, QRS and T are points on a circle with the center being O. The angle at STR is 37 and the angle at QRT is 59. We have to find the angle SPR. Remember, under circle theorem, we need to identify the type of theorems that you are going to apply. Here, if I look at it, I can see that the arc TQ, this arc subtends the angle here at S. The same arc subtends the angle 59. So these two angles are going to be equal. Alright, so it means here will also be the 59. So in that triangle, I should be having 1, 2, 3. If I add the three angles, I will get 180. This angle is an exterior angle 2, the answer I will be getting. So that 2, that angle plus the one I'm looking for are also angle on a straight line. We can add them and get the value. Or you use this an exterior angle equals to the sum of two opposite interior angles. So here I am only going to say that the angle that I have here as TXQ will also be equals to 59 degrees, which is angles that are in the same segment. So this will be equal to that. Then I can also say that the angle I am asked to find, SPR, will be equal to this angle, 37 degrees plus 59, this very one. The property is going to be exterior angle equals to the sum of two opposite interior angles. The angle here is an exterior angle. Is an exterior to this triangle. Then that becomes the angle SPR equals to, this is 80, right? Therefore, 96 degrees. This is not the only way. We can also say this angle is equal to this, and this will still be an exterior to this triangle. Same answer, and that will be the 96 degree. I believe well understood. Like, share, comment, and subscribe, and come back for question 42.